Hey there, savvy savers. Ever wondered how to quickly and securely pay a bill using your Discover card? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a simple step-by-step guide that will have you handling your payments like a pro in no time. Whether it's your utility bill, rent, or even another credit card payment, Discover's user-friendly platform makes it a breeze. Let's get started. First off, grab your device and head to the Discover website or open the Discover app. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to sign up first. It's quick and secure, I promise. Once you're in, look for the Bill Pay or Pay Bills section, usually front and center on your dashboard. This is where the magic happens. If this is your first time paying a specific bill, click on Add Biller. You'll need to enter details like the company's name, your account number with them, and maybe your address for verification. Discover will guide you through it step by step. Next, select the biller from your list. It's like picking from your favorite contacts. Then, enter the amount you want to pay. Be precise to avoid any issues. You can also choose the payment date. Opt for a future date if you need a little extra time. Before you hit that confirm button, take a quick second to review everything. Double-check the amount, the date, and the biller details to ensure accuracy. Once you're good, click Confirm or Submit. You'll get a confirmation message right away, and Discover will handle the rest. And just like that, your bill is paid. It's that straightforward. Remember, using your Discover card for payments might even earn you rewards or cashback, so keep an eye on your account for those perks. If you run into any hiccups, Discover's customer support is top-notch. Check their help center online. Thanks for tuning in, folks. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips and tricks. See you next time.